Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start in shortcuts because iPad OS uses automations to run actions on a schedule. Once done, tap Automation and choose Create Personal Automation. This lets you pick time of day. Set the hour and minute you want the iPad to turn off and choose Repeat, daily or specific days. Make sure Wake Screen is off if you want no interruptions. This step defines the trigger, the exact moment your device will run the shutdown sequence. Next, you construct the actions that approximate turning off the iPad, because shortcuts cannot force power off. Add actions like set focus to do not disturb and set brightness to 0, then lock screen to secure the device. If you need apps closed, add open app then immediately close by using scripting such as exit or home screen simulation. Once assembled, disable ask before running so the automation executes without confirmation. This makes it automatic at the scheduled time. Finally, test the automation manually by tapping Run to confirm each action behaves as expected. This reveals permission prompts or timing issues. Make sure Shortcuts has required permissions in settings, and confirm focus and lock screen actions are allowed. If something goes wrong, re-enable Ask before running to receive prompts and identify the failing action, then fix and retest. Remember, this method simulates shutdown. True power off requires manual hold of top button or a physical shutdown.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.